Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to enter the developer options. Probably the developer options are not turned on in your device, but no worries. All you have to do is to go to About Tablet, then let's enter software information, localize build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now after activating the developer options, we can enter them. They will appear right under the About Tablet in this left section, so let's tap on them, and all we have to do is to find this option, automatic system updates. In my case, this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, simply tap on this switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting and from time to time, so it will have a chance to download the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.